You're not going to believe what we just saw, YouTube.
Oh, look, they're right there.
You're not going to believe what we just saw. Mama caught a bird for her babies.
We just saw it.
Yeah, we watched the whole thing.
We wish we had the camera.
Yeah, Katie don't like to carry the iPad around because it's too heavy. Oh, they took the prize to the back.
Good job, Mama.
Oh, yes, lots of praise, lots of praise.
Here. Yes. Good job. We saw her just like stalking. Just like stalking.
Yeah,
I was like, wait, where's
stalking
her bird?
the prey.
And then
I
saw
told
the
you.
bird right there.
I said, yeah, we don't know where it is, but she does. She sees it.
Hi.
Go see what your sibling took. Go see.
I think we'll have to go back in the house.
Or what if I throw a pine cone to the corner? No, she'll go that way, won't she?
She caught a bird.
Oh, no, right in the house. Well, under
Mama
the
caught a
house.
bird.
Yeah, she caught it right in front of you, huh?
Yes.
Mm.
Poor bird, and never knew what it was coming.
You don't get to see stuff like that very often in life. Not everyone gets to see that.
Right there. Do you have any nuts?
No, I'm a girl. Run up. No, Mama's like, where'd that bird go?
Yeah, your kid took it.
Uh-uh.
Greedy bastard.
Where'd that peanut go?
Right there. In front of the door thing.
Okay. Grab a couple more. Let's go find the birdie. Come on, Katie. I wonder if Mama can catch another one for the other kitty. Uh-oh, I feel raindrops. There's a squirrel.
Uh-oh.
I don't think it got it. You know what? It's rain. I don't see it back here. Oh my gosh.
It's a good thing she caught the bird, before it started raining.
Yeah, and there's raindrops on your iPad.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm afraid to run back around the house with it.
Just stop the recording. I'll put it in my coat.
There it is. Okay. Put it. Actually, let's hang this one up because there's a drop of water right there on the stop button. Yeah. Can we zoom in on him? Oh.
The mama sees him now. She knows where it is.
Hi.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we out. Peanut butter house, yo.